Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna do 4 eyeliner looks, and the first look is inspired by Kangna Ranaut and it's a thick winged eyeliner. To get this thick winged eyeliner, I usually like to line my nose with the edge of my eye and the edge of my eyebrow, and here I'm using a makeup brush and I'm using a pencil eyeliner to line the outer wing, and from the top of the wing I bring it to the center, and from the inner corner I join it to the center part. So from there, since the outline is ready, you can fill it in with either a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner. Here I'm using Essence gel eyeliner, and I did the same thing on the other eye, and this is what it looks like in the end. So the second eyeliner look is inspired by Alia Bhatt, and it's a very thin eyeliner look. To get this look, the trick is to use a very thin tipped eyeliner, and here I'm using L'Oreal Intense Liquid Liner, and I usually just follow my natural lash line and I make that line in very small strokes to get the perfect line. And once I get to the edge of my eye, I usually flick it at almost a 45-degree angle, and this is what it looks like. So the third eyeliner look is inspired by Priyanka Chopra, and it's a graphic eyeliner look. To get this look, I'm going to gradually thicken the thin eyeliner that we just created, and I'm also going to start extending that 45-degree angle wing that we just made until I reach the center of my eye. And once I reach the center of my eye, I will start extending that wing straight out towards the right or left, depending upon whichever eye you're working on, until the wing aligns with the edge of my eyebrow. And then I will make another line starting from the crease and ending at the wing, and this will help you get that graphic eyeliner look. And then I use the gel liner on top of the other liner to get that matte look, and here the gel liner I used is Essence gel liner. And hopefully my explanation made some sense to you, and this is what it looks like in the end. The fourth look is inspired by Deepika Padukone, and it's a thick lower lash line look. To get this look, I extended my top lash line downwards and made a tiny V around the inner corner, and then I kept following my lower lash line at a distance until I reached the edge of my eye, and from there I created that for approximately 45-degree angled wing, and from top of that wing I joined the line to my top lash line, and I made a similar outline on the other eye and filled both the eyes in with Essence gel liner. I did lose the final footage for this look, but I have a few photos here. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, and please subscribe to my channel.